Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to adjust response length on Janitor AI longer, shorter replies. If you're tired of receiving long paragraphs and want quicker, more concise responses, this setting can be useful. So let's get started. First, open Janitor AI and sign into your account. Now open the chat where you want to change the response behavior. Once you're inside the conversation, look for the chat settings, generation settings, or model settings. The exact location can be different depending on the current Janitor AI interface and the configuration you're using. Inside the settings, look for an option related to response length. If you see this option, it allows you to influence how long the chatbot's responses should be. For example, if you prefer quick and concise replies, choose the short option. This is useful for casual conversations, role play, or situations where you don't want the AI to generate several paragraphs every time you send a message. On the other hand, if you want the chatbot to provide more explanation, context, or detailed responses, choose a longer response option if your version of Janitor AI provides one. The main idea is to adjust the setting according to the type of conversation you're having. Keep in mind that response length doesn't guarantee an exact number of words. It influences the model's preferred response style, but the actual length can still vary depending on the conversation, prompt, model, and other generation settings. If you don't see a response length option, don't worry. Janitor AI's interface can change, and certain settings may only appear for specific models or configurations. Check your chat and generation settings carefully and look for options related to response size or generation behavior. Also, if you're using an external API or model through Janitor AI, the available controls may be different from the built-in Janitor model. After changing the setting, save the configuration if required and return to your conversation. Now send a new message and compare your response with your previous results. If the reply is still too long, try a shorter setting if available. If it's too brief, increase the response length or simply tell the chatbot in your prompt that you want more detailed answers. You can also combine the setting with a simple instruction such as keep your responses concise and limit unnecessary details. This can help reinforce the response style you're looking for. And that's it. You now know how to adjust response length on Janitor AI and make your chatbot responses shorter or more detailed depending on the options available to you. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more Janitor AI and AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.